All right, hello. So we are going to show you the difference between these two Mountain Dews, and it's literally dang near the same thing. So here is what the new one looks like, and the flavor is just not as good. And here's the old school, right? Like what we originally were used to. So this is the old school, which is better tasting and better flavor and only Taco Bell. And this one tastes more like it's been blended with something like McDonald's. Let me show you some more proof. Okay, so there is more proof. I'm not kidding. I didn't alter this, but I'll show you one last proof. Notice there's even a little difference. All right, so here's the big change we wanted to show you. So if you notice, one looks darker than the other. The one on the left is the old school. The one on the right, well, let's be honest. We had to move, but don't worry about it. We're just going to say this. The one that's darker is the legit one. Tell you what, so here's the big difference. If you notice, that one, let's take a look. It's going to be lighter. Now, why is this one darker? See that? Look, I'm not making this up. Why is that one darker and that one is lighter? See? So there is a difference. I'm not making it up. So there's darker, there's lighter. I see it. Watch. And there's some other differences, but what we're going to show you here, just take a look at this other. Now, why do they look a little gosh darn different? See? Now look here. A metal can. I mean, I know it's a little bit here. Excuse me. Here. Okay, now look. Let's see. See? Did you see how darkness? So, I mean, we see that all over. Let's look at the front. Okay, and we're back. Now, do you see another difference? One is lighter in color than the other. Let's just okay, so once again we're back, and just to show you, like we said, notice there's a color difference slightly. You're going to see a slight color difference if you look at it for a little bit. See, we come to that angle. See, there is a color difference if you look at them. One's darker and the other is lighter, and I'm not making that up. Then why? Look, why is one darker than the other? Here's the light one. See, I'm not making it up. Now look at the lighter one. Now look at the darker one. See the difference? One is darker, one is lighter. See? Like lighter. And I'll even get in there. Okay. All right. All right. One more time. Okay. Look, I'm not making it up. It's just real hard to see it. But look at it from this angle. Now, so you see the difference? Look, it just, no matter where I turn it, one's lighter and one is darker. It's like hard to see it there, but look. Now watch. See? Then why, when I do that, does it look like that? Why, when I do that, does it look like that? Why is it when I do that, it's still representing what I just said? And there you go. So which one would be the true Taco Bell original on the truth? I mean, yeah, I know that's going to be the obvious difference. Yeah, but I'm telling you, there's another corporation dealing with them on this second one, the newer one, and the old school, which is literally right here, is the official. Not just like that, but unfortunately, I mean, we're trying to look at it from like a certain angle. See? Lighter? Look, lighter, like slightly darker. Slightly darker. Slightly lighter. And that's what we're going to leave this whole conclusion at. Thank you. I'm just going to be like, here. I'll just. Here, you can just, here. Let's do that one. Okay, so you want to turn it a little more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, I would say probably about like that. Okay. Now just here, close it. Okay, so here is another one to show you with the MD. Okay, now watch this. So they look like they're on the same side, right? I mean, I told you there is a difference. Here it is. Look, they're like angled right the same, right? Look at the difference. Notice one's a little bit darker than the other on the Taco Bell. But look at the top. There's the big difference. See that? So that is literally how it works, man. And I could just show you. I mean, to be honest with you, man, there's only going to be one side to this, and I'll just make sure you see. Excuse me. You see the turn and difference. So I'm not making this up. Now, what would that be, man? Let's get in there a little bit closer. See that? So I didn't make it up. And that's how it works. See?